Indeks harga konsumen terkini, indikator utama laju inflasi, menunjukkan harga makanan di Amerika Serikat naik rata-rata 10,9% dibandingkan tahun sebelumnya. Tapi untuk unggas, harganya meningkat lebih signifikan akibat faktor di luar gangguan rantai pasok.
Turkeys in particular are going to be especially expensive this year, looking into the holiday season. That's primarily because of a large avian flu outbreak earlier in 2022 that has led to about 6% fewer turkeys out in production compared to last year.
Bagi konsumen AS, kalkun yang menjadi hidangan wajib saat perayaan Thanksgiving ini bakal lebih membebani anggaran.
This year, we expect turkey prices to be up about 15% over what they were last year. Now, for wholesale prices, or the price that the grocery store pays to get the turkey, those prices are up even more, about 20%. So we see that even though turkeys are becoming more expensive this year, the profit margins are going down a little bit. This is all driven by the fact that there are fewer turkeys to go around, and so different consumers are essentially bidding up the price for those that are left on the market.
Wholesome Valley Farms di negara bagian Ohio juga bersiap menjual kalkunnya dengan harga lebih tinggi dibandingkan tahun lalu.
For us that feed non-GMO grains, which are traditionally transitional organic feed, they've gone from $4.50 a bushel on corn to $8.73 yesterday. So that's a big increase in the last 2 years.
Beruntung bagi Trevor, peternakan kalkunnya ini terbebas dari flu burung. Tapi dampak flu burung tetap terasa.
The biggest impact we've seen is that the price of the chicks from the hatchery has been more expensive. Obviously, if our costs go up, they have to go to the consumer as well.
Kenaikan harga tak hanya berakhir di peternakan. Begitu daging kalkun diteruskan ke pabrik pengolahan atau usaha jagal, seperti Ohio City Provisions ini, biaya produksi pun terus terimbas tingginya laju inflasi.
Just general labor increases to packaging, plastics. I mean, let alone just the safety gloves that people wear, the nitrile latex gloves went from I think $50 a case before COVID for 10 boxes. It's like $174 over a year.
Analis mengatakan pasokan kalkun relatif aman karena banyak telah disembelih jauh sebelum Thanksgiving dan didistribusikan ke supermarket dalam bentuk sudah beku. Menurut Federasi Industri Kalkun Nasional Amerika Serikat, sekitar 88% warga AS menyantap kalkun saat Thanksgiving. Menurut federasi ini, setiap tahunnya warga Amerika Serikat bisa mengonsumsi sekitar 46 juta kalkun pada Thanksgiving, lalu sekitar 22 juta pada perayaan Natal, dan terakhir sekitar 19 juta pada perayaan Paskah. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.